Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic can ants use telepathy. In this video, we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants do not use telepathy because they have sign language, a simpler nervous system, and lack coordination between brains due to the structure difference. In addition, they have expressive gestures like the drumming of bodies and waggling, moving their antennae, and releasing pheromones to communicate or make use of trophallaxis. Insects are not supposed to have telepathic communication because they have simpler bodies and lack a complex nervous system that can help understand and express thoughts. Insects are not telepathic as they do not have advanced brains to read their minds and understand what their fellow wants to say even when it is not showing any gesture or not speaking. The phenomena of telepathy do not exist in insects like ants. And even most animals are pretty expressive and understand only when their animal or insect creates sound or show movements. It can work for higher organisms with advanced brain systems, but the brain of both organisms need to work in the same manner. For instance, ants have sign language and lack telepathic power. Moreover, these insects have simpler brains and lack a large number of neurons that are required separate from the normal working nervous system to transfer a particular signal. Their brains cannot coordinate similarly due to differences in structure and thinking patterns. In addition, they have different ways of communication for transferring message to fellows and foes. They groom and take care of the brood and warn to indicate danger. Furthermore, they can transfer food through their mouth, control the activities of rival species, and recruit members to collect food or fight predators. Insects have developed different methods of communication as they cannot communicate by speaking or hearing the sounds produced by their nest fellows. It is a unique method of transferring solid or liquid foods down to the colony members who cannot break tough grains or fruits and cannot digest them. This feeding method is commonly observed in their colonies and is known as trophallaxis. It occurs when the workers break larger food particles and eat them to store them in the stomach. A small portion of food gets digested while the remaining part is stored in the crop. This stored portion of food is regurgitated and transferred to the mouth of larvae and queen. This way, workers take care of the nutrition of other colony members and provide food to them. So this can be a way of communication when adults transfer food to the mouth of larvae. These workers or nursing ants transfer food orally or anally, as both are considered trophallaxis when the adults feed the young ones. Insects waggle or dance by exhibiting a particular gait when moving up or down from side to side. This act of waggling is commonly seen in honeybees but is also found in ants. This behavior is mainly observed in foragers or workers and helps convey foraging-related messages to other nest members that are part of the trial. Moreover, a foraging leader waggles when it wants to communicate with the following members and tell them the location of food resources to get food. In addition, the waggling movement recruits workers inside the nest. These narking ants come closer to foragers and unload the food to prepare them for the next trip. These insects also display jerky movements and dance when they want to transfer a message to their fellows or even the predators. Pheromones are chemicals secreted from the glands in the ant's body and help communicate and control different activities related to the nest. We often see long rows of ants marching on the ground that can only move in a straight line due to these pheromone secretions. These chemicals act as cues for these insects that can help every following insect in the direction of secreted chemicals by antennae and follow the same path. Their antennae contain small receptors and other chemosensory proteins which can help detect chemical secretions and allow them to respond accordingly. All of them do not produce the same pheromones and every colony releases distinct chemicals, producing a distinguishing body odor that can help in recognition. Additionally, these insects release different types of pheromones according to the situation, as the foraging trials have a different odor from those produced in dangerous situations. Thanks for watching the video.